Welcome to 105 Boomrock Road, situated in the gorgeous Oharia Valley. Flawless in design and craftsmanship, this contemporary home has been built to exacting standards, taking in the surrounding rolling hills and built to encase the ever-changing panorama. A true textbook example of where design and beauty meet hand in hand. As soon as you enter this stunning property, you'll be captivated by the generous living spaces with its chapel ceilings, picture-perfect windows, and large sliders to the breathtaking outdoors. The chef of your family will love this well-appointed kitchen with the large butler's pantry and quality appliances. An adjacent room is perfect as a media room, children's playroom, or could even be the perfect spot when working from home. The spacious home offers 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The master has an ensuite and large walk-in wardrobe. Premium heating is provided by a fire in the main lounge, 2 heat pumps, underfloor heating in the bathrooms, and premium insulation. If the large internal access garage along with the laundry space is not enough, also included with this gorgeous home is a sleep out, potting shed, chicken coop and workshop area. Entertaining is made easy with 2 large decked areas where the true value of rural privacy, peace and tranquility can be experienced. Situated in popular Oharia Valley, this home is only a short distance from Johnsonville, offering all the amenities you could need. Call us today for a private inspection of this gorgeous home or come to one of our many open homes listed on our website.